Hello everybody, welcome to another lesson of AutoCAD learning. In this menu we have studied up to making block and inserting block. Our next option is point. For the point, just and shortcut of point is PO only, and then space enter, both will do the same. So you can make point, you can draw point only by using the point option or PO. Now the size of this point is very small. For making it is visible, I will show you how to make it the point style, how to change it. And one example for the usage of point is the division. For example, if you have a center line of road like this, for example, I add here. So, for example, if sometimes your browser is not working properly, so you guys should come here, in the hardware solution. Just click on both of them, okay? Here, click, this two should be on. Then you can work easily. So take a line like this. For example, it is a center line of a road. For example, the length of this one is 100 meters. Select enter. Okay. Move you didn't install it. Now you can just type in and you can move your object. For example, you want to make you want to divide this 100 meters to any 20 meters. So if you want to divide this, you just can type a div, then the divide will become here. Just select the object, then it will ask you enter the number of segments. For example, if you want to divide it into 20 meters, it will be 5 segments. Then now you see here you're not able to see the point, though this your object is divided, but you're not able to see the point. So for visibility of the points, just come here in the format, come here to point style, click on it. You have a lot of point style, just click on one of them and okay. See here now you can see that you have divided your line to the five segment, 1 2 3 4 and 5. You see another style of point also change. It is one of the usage of point, so you can clear it in that. The next one is hatch and gradient. This two is using when you're going to painting or you want to show the section of any building, like here. See here, this is the elevation of one of the building. So for the stone you're showing like this, and for the lower you show like this. So for making the hats, and if you want to show the color of any building, so you can use from gradient. Have, for example, we have an elevation like this, it's an elevation of a building, and you have windows here, okay, windows here. I will use easily that you can do like this the same. Then see, copy, we will study in our next lesson. If you want to show the stone, for example, you have a stone in this elevation. If you want to show the stone here, just come here in the hedge or just type H. It's a very easy way. Hedge and come here. Here you have a lot of made section of anything. Come here in the hazel, you have another style. Here you have any style that you want to use. For example, you're using a stone like this. For example, like this. It's okay. And then come here, click on it, and pick point. Click, okay. Then enter. Then enter. You see, I easily made the hatch for your building. And the same for the gradient. For the gradient, just type GRA. It is gradient. Directly you can take it from here. For example, if you want to make the windows, here you have the windows. For example, you have a line here like this. Okay. For hedging, for showing the color of the glass of windows, just come to the gradient, just type GRA, enter. You can use only one color or you can use two color. It depends on you. If you want to add more colors, you can come here, click on it. Sorry, here you have a box of colors, any colors you want to use based on your design you can use, and same for this as well. Okay, for example, we want to use one color for our windows, so the these types are the location of color and the light direction of the color. For example, you know, the windows showing different or showing in different angle, or locating in different angle with the sun. For example, we are just want to use here this one, click here, enter, and enter. Okay, the same you can do for this as well. You can just make an L here, and you will study the offset, for example. But now for AC, go to the work and just do it like this. Go again to the hatch. Sorry, we have gradient and hatch together here. You're not going to type with GRAD. Just type H hatch, come here in the gradient and choose your color. Add pick point, this 2 point, enter, enter. Then the windows will be shown here. Like this, any kind of color you want to use for internal paint, external paint, anything you guys can use. I hope you guys understand this hatching and gradient. It's very easy. And for more details of these hatches, how we use this angle and how we should use the scale, we'll study later on in our practice and project. We'll use almost 50% of these hatches. So I will show you how we can use these hatches and where should be used, and how we can make the hatch by ourselves. I will show you in our next lessons. So I hope you guys got the point. I will clear it. For the region is, for example, you have a rectangle like this here. You see, it is all four segment of this rectangle is together. So if you want to make it separate, we'll study the explode in our next lesson here in the menu of forget the name of this, the modify menu. So here we'll study the explode in last option. Explode is making separate the objects. The shortcut for the explode is X. Just type X, enter. You see now the segments become separate. So if you want to join them all together, just click on it and come to region. Okay. Sorry, just click on region and click on the object. You see, all objects become together. It's only for such things you can easily use. You can make together all the objects by using the region. I will Table, table. It's very easy. Just come the table. For example, you have a project. You're going to show the amount of columns, windows, like doors, anything, any objective, anything is in elements you have in your project. You can show even the cost of the project, even the quantity of the steel, brick, anything. Just come to the table. Here, from here you can specify the column, how many column you need, and the column width, how much should be, how many row you need. For example, I want to have an 8 column and a row. You know, it is column and it is row. The vertical is column and horizontal is row. And I want to have around 10 row. I will keep the same size, and the title should be title header. If you change this one, you see the changes you can see here as well. If you want to know data, the changes you will see here. So title is better for you, and it's all. Just make it okay. You have made a table. Here, when you click on it, you just need to specify the title of your table. What should it be? For example, we'll write it. For example, uh, uh, objects, like objects, or you can show you zoom here. This one, yeah. Type objects, like this, or anything you want. Just make it enter. Here. Here you see you have made the table. It has 5 rows. Sorry, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 row and 10 column. For adding something in it, just click on it and add something, anything you want. For example, you can add here number 1, or anything. You can add a number. Here you can add 1, then here 2, the same like this. Okay. Here, for example, number 1, you have windows. So, for example, you can see the object here. Type it here. The windows quantity. Same. For example, you have like 25 windows in one building. The same, and the location. Anything you can type and you can make the same. For example, for the door, for anything, you can change the table. Can bring any change you want for your table. In here, you can insert a row. For example, now we have 10 row. So you can 12 row. So you can add insert row below. It will be added. Here you have insert row above. So above your location will be added one more. And the same, you can add column to the left. One column will be added. So on the right side will be added. You can delete the column, and you can also delete the row as well. For example, if you want to delete the row, just click on the row and delete. Here you can change the color of your row. If you want to make some more changes, you can do anything by yourself. It was a table. I hope you guys understand. So we can also import the a sheet from Excel as well. From Excel as well, you can import. For example, if you want to have a sheet from Excel. For example, I just want to make a table here. Sorry, just I want to click it. I just want to make table. That's okay. This table I want to move it into. I want to insert to the AutoCAD. First, I have to save this to my computer. For example, in desktop book 1, I will save here. Then you can come to the AutoCAD program, go to table, and you can click here from a data link. You can give a link here. For example, come here, Excel, and link, give a name, anything. It is, for example, it's course estimation. Just okay. From where you want to come here. It was in desktop. It was book 1, open, and here it will be appear for you to be preview. So okay, and okay, okay. See, the same thing from Excel you can import to the AutoCAD program as well. And guys, the another option is it's multi-text. If you want to write something for your drawing, for example, here it is written something. For example, you want to show the height, you want to write something like it is glass and specify something for your project. Like here, we added something more, like anything you want. You can add, you can write by multi-text. How? The shortcut for this one is empty. Just type empty. This will be appear for you. When you click from here, you can change the size. For example, it should be 1. Enter, bold, all these things you know from the Microsoft. From here, you can change the design of your text, how it should be. And anything you want to write, you can just write. For example, bedroom. Okay. For example, you have plan like this, plan like this, like here. So you want to specify anything, anytime like here is guest room. So just type empty and specify to anyone information like guest room. Here, here is corridor, anything. It is bedroom, anything. It is toilet. Just type empty here. Click on it. Type it is bathroom. Anything else. Okay. It is using of multi-text and add selected. What is doing add selected? It's not much usable. Add selected is using sometimes, for example, if you have such a thing, it is a line. It's a line. For example, if you want to make a line again, and for example, you have a line and you have a polyline here. Okay. So you don't know that it is polyline or it is line. You want to just make the same like this. Just click, just come here, add selected, select this, then you can make the same thing. For example, if you want, now you see it is polyline. And if you want to draw a line, just come here, add selected. You see here, now it is a line. The same any object you want to make. For example, we have arc. I will check you can use for this or not. Just come to add selected. See, you can draw an arc. So any object you have already in your Windows, so the same object you can use by adding selected. If you forgot, for example, the shortcut and anything else, so you can use by add selecting, add selected. Okay guys, this was the lesson for today, and I hope you guys understand. So we will continue with the modify menu in our next lesson. Have a nice